How to turn off or on location data on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on location data. First open VK and then click hub and go to these three lines here and then settings, and that's it. Now just go to app settings and then location data. Here's it. Now you can turn it off or on just by one click, and allow location permission, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.